Good day, family and friends. Welcome once again to Smokepot and Balanced Kitchen. You're here with one and only Smokepot, and we're going to be going on a regular routine where we go on journeys to explore different type of food. Now today we're going to be doing something that most of us is very familiar with. We're going to be doing chicken and broccoli, Smokepot style. Alright, the chicken of choice today is some deboned leg and thigh. Alright, so immediately we're going to jump into it. I have some water boiling right now. I'm going to be adding a little salt, not too much, because what I want to do, I want to blanch my that's good. I want to blanch my broccoli, so I'm going to give my broccoli approximately maybe 3 minutes boiling. So after I put my broccoli in, and I enjoy using my broccoli with stems and everything. Some people may not, you know, so it doesn't really matter, just whatever you are accustomed to. Some people might like their broccoli a bit on the soft side. I don't, so that's why I'm only going to give it about 3 minutes. And after that 3 minutes, I'm going to basically shower it with some ice and ice water to keep the color and the flavor standing out. Alright, so next we're going to move on to our deboned chicken. As I told you, it's washed. I personally cut them up, you know, debone them. We're going to be adding some light seasoning to it. I'm going to be adding, I don't need any salt right here. I'm going to be adding some chicken season. I'm going to put half teaspoon chicken season right there. All-purpose season. I'm going to be putting the next half teaspoon right there. Half teaspoon of black pepper. And a little bit of pimento seed, quarter teaspoon pimento seed. And with this preparation, I'm going to be putting just a little bit of soy sauce for now. For me personally, soy sauce goes well with broccoli, so I'm going to be adding some of that. I'm going to lightly stir this, make sure it's before we finish with the whole operation of our broccoli. Okay, so right now let us look at our broccoli, see what's going on with it. As you can see, it's not boiling as yet. The water was boiling before. As you see, I added a little salt, but it's still not at that boiling point. I want to give it 2 to 3 minutes after it actually starts boiling. And you see how green and beautiful that look? That's the way I want to keep it. So I'll make sure I have my my shower. Basically I'm gonna have my ice bar ready for that. The other ingredients I'm gonna be working with today is just some basic season, some onion, some thyme, some scotch bonnet pepper, some garlic, a little bit of scallion, and a little sweet pepper. And that's all I'll be doing. So I'll be right back to continue with the process after 10 minutes when I'm going to be frying my chicken, and then we take it from there. Guys, now my broccoli's been boiling for about 3 minutes. So as you can see, they're very firm and nice and green and everything. So now I'm going to remove them and set them until we're ready for them. And I'm going to ensure that I keep them green as they are and fresh. So you just strain them like so. Okay. Strain them like that. Then, as you can see right there, I have an ice shower or ice bath, whatever you want to call it. And what that does is, I'm going to pour this in it. What that basically does is, it holds that firmness together, and it also holds the color, that green pretty color that we're looking at. Yeah, it keeps that together. And that's how we want it. So the preparation will continue after we when we're ready for them. Basically we come back to these. But you see how fresh and clean they look and firm and everything. Okay, You do that. It's called a little ice shower, ice bath, whatever. But if you get the gist of what's going on. So we're gonna leave that for now. And now we're going straight into our chicken part segment. Chicken segment. My oil. I put some oil in my pot. And now I'm just gonna be slowly sauteing my chicken. These will be cooked very, very quickly because, as you can see, they are boneless. You know, they are the boneless legs and thighs. No matter what, I can just pour them in like that. Alright, and this is gonna be basically fried for about 2 to 3 minutes on either side. And then we're going to be adding the rest of our ingredients, including our broccoli that's sitting. Alright, so stay tuned, and today we are going to be plating with some pumpkin rice. I made some pumpkin rice I'm going to be plating with. I did not show you guys the preparation for that just yet. But the reason I've been separating everything that I make is because some of my subscribers ask me to just do one thing at a time so they can digest it properly. So at some point in the future I'm going to be doing pumpkin rice and all the other type of rice that I'm now exposed to. I want to take this time to let everybody know to subscribe, share, like. Thanks for all the support I've been getting. And a big shout out to all my former high school crew, HE31 in particular, who just formed this group, and big up on yourself, enough love, and we're gonna move mountains, alright, doing a lot of stuff. So once again, big up everybody, to all my friends, subscribers, continue to share, support, and like. I'll be back in a sec. Okay guys, I just turned over and I'm waiting the next 2 minutes before I get to my broccoli. But now I'm gonna be adding in my other seasoning. So I have my Scotch bonnet pepper, my thyme, my garlic, my scallion, and a little onion. My bell pepper, I'll be putting in there. Put them in shortly. As you know, we are Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. So Mr. Balance just told me that you guys don't meet Mr. Balance as yet. But Mr. Balance just told me to add some spaghetti in there for him. So I'm gonna add some spaghetti in there right now. So not too much, because as you know, the dish is chicken and broccoli. But you know, knowing there is not much starch involved in this, if you want to eat it as a complete meal by itself, then the little spaghetti that I'm adding right now will do wonders for it. Alright, so these are the very thin spaghetti, so you know they'll be cooked in no time. So on our next stop, we're gonna be completing the dish, and then you know the favorite time is tasting. Yes guys, I got my spaghetti almost where I want it to be. So now for the final touches. So I'm gonna add the rest of my bell pepper. And carrots for me always go well with broccoli, for me. Alright, so I'll put a little carrots. Give this a little stir. It's smelling so good, guys. And I like the way where it's going. The color. Alright, and last but not least now, let me go fetch my broccoli. That's already cooked, as we all know, and still standing firm, so beautiful they look. So now we just add back our broccoli to the pot. And we're going to give this just a minute for it to get warm and absorb some of the sauce. You know, and everything to come together as one. So it's looking beautiful, guys. Smelling beautiful, and we're going to be doing our little taste test in a little second. So stick around, alright? Now is our time, as you can see. Looking gorgeous, looking beautiful, looking delicious. The aroma messing up my head right now. It's off the charts. We're going to turn this bad boy off. And as I'm saying, we're going to be plating with some pumpkin rice. So I've made some pumpkin rice. Here you can see. So, you know, we always try to make this thing look beautiful. So, and I've been enjoying the process. And now we're going to be doing a little tasting. And you guys just follow along with me. But remember, try to take a good look at the recipe and try them and let me know what they taste like. Alright? As I keep telling you week after week, don't just sit there, watch and say it looks good, but you do not want to try it. Alright? So make sure you take the time and try it and give me a feedback. Let me know if you like what I've done, and let us keep it moving. You can also make recommendations. I appreciate it a whole lot. Thank you, guys. Now we're going to be tasting. Amen. So guys, as you see, it's pumpkin rice. I mean, although the pumpkin rice isn't the highlight of the meal, that rice is nice. That rice is really nice. Okay, let me go down into my chicken and broccoli. Let me taste this spaghetti recommended by Mr. Balance. A spaghetti complements that sauce very well. The sauce, I can taste a little of the soy sauce, the garlic, pimento, thyme, not overwhelming. It's just on point. It's delicious. And I haven't had any meat as yet. Let me go to the broccoli. You know, broccoli is very hot, right? So I'm not going to be acting all greedy and just be burning myself like that. It's nice, it's crunchy. It's not on the soggy side, as you see. I avoided that the way I cooked it. It also has absorbed that flavor. It's just shining through and complements each other to the max. It's very good, guys. It's a very delicious meal. It's very good. Let me taste the chicken. Very soft, not overdone. Guys, superb dish. It's very delicious. Hopefully I get some of you guys soon in one big gathering where you can have many of you be tasting and all of that. Hope you enjoyed the video once again, and thanks for the support. And let us take this global, alright? So remember, it's Smokepot and Balanced Kitchen. Subscribe, share, like. Love you all. Peace out. Bless.